death to yourself. I don't eat sugar or simple carbs, but I know somebody who definitely does. Sure enough, young lady next to me goes, if he's not gonna eat his cookies, I'll take his share as well. I'm like, I fucking knew it. Then she decides to wash it down with some cranberry juice. Sorry, that's at least 155 grams of sugar right there. I can hear her pancreas panicking, okay? I can literally, I can't produce any more insulin. Please, somebody help me. My pancreas sound asleep. All right, and she's eating those cookies and drinking that cranberries. I'm watching all that sugar going to her body, and she's licking and thumbing through them tabloid magazines, and I'm thinking to myself, in 20 minutes, you're gonna have your sugar crash. 20 minutes on the dot. She's out like a light. I'm like, why don't they make a movie about me, man? So happy with myself. Now here's where the story gets interesting, and here's where the lesson starts to happen. About 10 minutes into her nappy poo, there's a young lady about 4 rows back who starts to have a medical emergency. I don't know what's going on, but she's flipping out in her chair. She's going, like that. There's a like that. And the woman next to her is like, something's wrong with her, I think. And the flight attendant comes over and goes, what's going on, honey? Everything okay? And this woman goes, and falls into the aisle and starts to freak out. And they're like, oh my God, we need help. Please come over here. And they try to pick her up. And I don't know what to do. I'm like, I have almonds if you need them. I don't know. And they're working, and the flight attendant moves over, and she grabs the thing. She goes, ladies and gentlemen, we're having a passenger who's very sick. We don't know what to do. If there's any medical staff on board or a doctor, we could really use your help. We don't know what to do. And the young lady that I've been judging this whole time, she woke up from her nap like a Tier 1 commando. She's just looking at me, she goes, move. I go, move. I go, oh, fuck, sorry, okay. She comes walking over, slides, and she goes, what's going on? Is this her purse? Is this her purse? Okay, I see what's going on. How much longer do we have? Hour and a half, good. Honey, I need orange juice. I need a wet towel. Let's lift her legs. Let's bring her head up, please. Come on, guys, hold it up. Hold it, here we go. Hurry up with that orange juice, please. Let's pull these back. You guys gotta move back. Give me the orange juice. Okay, here. Take this pill, put it on her throat. She's gotta drink all of this, okay? I want her to swallow the pill, drink all of this. I'm gonna fly the plane to smoother air. And she comes back and she's working. I don't know what she's doing, dude, but she's just doing stuff. And she, at one point, they try to get her back in the chair and nobody can do it. She goes, move, get out of my way. She just gets under and she just fucking and puts her in the chair like a baby. And now the woman, 10 minutes, the woman's going, come on, girl. We did it. We did this together. No, leave me. No, I'm not gonna leave you. You're my ride or die, sister. You're my ride or die. We're doing this together. We got an hour and 10 minutes, and we did this together. We're not going anywhere. Can you drink a little more? That's my girl. There you go. We got stabilized. We did it. We stabilized you. You okay? Can I get a smile? Yes, my girl, yes, you did. And thank you. No, thank you. We had an adventure. Everybody needs help sometimes, and I had a good time. Did you have a good time? Just kidding around. But you know what? We got an hour and 10 minutes, and we're gonna make it through. Can I get a hug? And they hug, and the whole plane starts to clap. And she just looks at her, and she goes, please stop, whatever. I'll be there. Hour and 10. If you need it, you say, boo, I'm right here, okay? But you're not gonna need me, okay? All right? Okay, good. And she comes walking over, and she goes, excuse me. And I was like, of course. And I take my seat, and I look at her, and I go, that was incredible, man. How did you know what to do? And she goes, I'm an ER nurse, honey. I've seen it all. I was like, an ER nurse. The Cookie Monster saves lives. What do you think was wrong with her? And she goes, I think she's about to have a diabetic seizure. Drank too much, didn't eat enough. I just had to stabilize her. I was like, diabetic seizure. That's what it felt like from here.
Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm north of yesterday.
Are you for real?
Yeah, I